We got these geniuses out here cutting this tree from, at that point, they're going to cut from up there to there. It's not a very good idea. The guy's working away at the trunk right now. That's psycho. Look at that. There's no way that they're going to get that to fall in his backyard. It's too huge. I think he's working at the trunk. I think they're going to pull it into his backyard with those ropes there. He for sure is cutting it.
I hope not.
He's got it cut though at an angle like that, so it'll fall the other way. He's still cutting. It's at least 40 feet of tree that he's attempting to cut off right now. Still cutting away. Hopefully his little angle thing that he's got it cut out will work. Look at that huge gash that he's got cut in the tree there. Look at that, folks. That idiot thinks he's gonna... There's the cut.
Oh, oh my God, look at that.
It's huge.
That's about halfway.
The thing's gotta go soon.
I don't think that weight up there is not even, you know, so if it's heavier on this side,
It's gonna go whoop.
yeah.
So is he trying to push it then? Or something?
Wow, look at that. Oh, if he leaves his hand there, it'll crush his bones.
Psycho.
I think he has to come out on the other side now.
I'll get an axe now.
Well, now he's gonna go back in.
That's really not smart.
Wow.
And they get another guy up there. They probably went down to like Home Depot or something and got some guys. You're kidding me. Oh, he's cutting.
Wow, look at that piece.
Wow, that is a big crash that just made. Get out of there, dude. You're gonna
That
get.
thing is ready to go.
Oh yeah.
Wow, he got a lot of it, boy.
And with a little electric one too. There's no way I'd be up there with that tree. I mean, I would, but not going about it that way. They want it to fall towards me.
Oh my Lord, I can't believe we're witnessing this, Mike.
I never thought I'd see the day that this tree came down.
You can see, Mike, the hole it's got in that trunk. You can see it from over here.
It's going.
Is it going the right way?
Yeah, it's leaning towards their house.
There goes. Oh,
Can you see that? Oh shoot, I'm out of tape. Fall tree.
He does have. And you know what? They can't leave it like that, man. No one in the world. They've done more. All of them. More than. Oh! Wow!
No, 2003. I'm sorry.